ठीक है, all right. As far as fishing is concerned, this examples from my interview with Abhinandan Sekhri. तुम लोग सब टॉप पे देख ही सकते हो. And this was again the first time I was meeting Abhinandan. No, the second time I'd met him for a very brief 10 minute की car ride पहले. And अभी कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू करनी है और तुम देखोगे क्लियरली अभिनंदन नॉट इंटरेस्टेड राइट नाउ. लाइक अभिनंदन जस्ट लाइक रियली टेकिंग हिज टाइम. वो अपने फ़ोन पे है, वो चिल कर रहा है, राइट. एंड आई वांट टू मेक श्योर आई ब्रिंग हिम टू द कॉन्वर्सेशन. एंड वन वे टू डू दैट इज टू straight ask a question. But होता क्या है, as soon as I ask a question that is intense, बंदा ओवरवेलम हो जाएगा. बंदा बोलेगा यार ये क्या हो रहा है, दिस इज लाइक वेरी स्ट्रेंज. अभी तक तो प्रखर नॉर्मल बात कर रहा था, सडनली ही इज गेटिंग इनटू दिस इंटरव्यू मोड, ये क्या हो रहा है, राइट. द जनरल पॉइंट इज उसको हम कैसे स्मूथली, मैं अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा हूं अभिनंदन को, ताकि वो कंफर्टेबली कॉन्वर्सेशन में वॉक इन करे. देखो, वॉच दिस. This is very interesting.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I mean,
helpful with the names.
My dad used to say when I was younger, there's some old Hindu proverb about if somebody does not like art, they don't really understand life or something. Difference देखा तुमने शुरू में, जैसे ही मैंने I went to say something specific, not related to the conversation, something interesting, उसकी आंखें ऊपर हो गई. Until then, he was just scrolling over his phone. I think something to do with that. And I looked into myself, I started introspecting. I was like, what kind of art do I even like? And the only thing that mystifies and seduces me in a different direction is music. Like that is weirdly, and it's been rather tragic since I started doing podcasts or even getting into that world. I had to forsake my music listening hours to more information. Yeah, I mean, it's been quite
music
right.
Can do stuff that
no
that
information
can. I mean, it can, everything could be shit, but it can uplift your mood.
And it's weird because there isn't particularly, we have no idea why music works, why it works in the way it does, why it connects to emotions in the way it does. Whatever's happening with music in our brains is a massive mystery. Did you ever get across to watching that episode on Explained about music?
No, I haven't.
So you see, at this point, what I've done is not only is he comfortable, he's left his phone, he's taken his glasses off, he's ready, and he does not have to do anything right now. So he can get warmed up while I say the stuff. और इस सेइंग ऑफ दिस स्टफ में मैं अलग अलग पीसेस ले आउट कर रहा हूँ. म्यूजिक, नेटफ्लिक्स, न्यूरोलॉजी, राइट. आई एम लेइंग ऑल दीज पीसेस आउट टू सी व्हाट ही बाइट्स, what he wants to talk about himself, what is he interested in himself. Yeah, the deal is most of these authentic conversations, अगर मेरे पास उनका रिकॉर्ड होता है ना, वो जनरली पॉडकास्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस होती हैं. और पॉडकास्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस आर अगेन स्लाइटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम डेटिंग कॉन्वर्सेशंस, स्लाइटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम लाइक कॉल, ये क्या कहते हैं, इंटरव्यू कॉल्स, एंड देर स्लाइटली डिफरेंट ईच ऑफ देम. यहाँ पे बहुत जरूरी होता है सामने वाला इतना कंफर्टेबल हो जाए कि वो भूल जाए कि किसी नए बंदे से बात कर रहा है. दैट इज द इंटेंट. द इंटेंट इज टू मेक देम कंफर्टेबल, राइट. एंड आई एम द वन लीडिंग. I'm the one leading, so it's upon me. But they make for great examples as far as teaching people what is to be done is concerned. This could have happened very well in any other conversation in any other part, right? The samne wala person's not interested. I'm trying to get him interested, right? So I just start talking about stuff that interests me and I'm very passionate about it. It's very apparent with the way I'm saying it. He suddenly gives me attention, but he's still not there yet. So I start laying out more pieces for him to grab on. This is fishing. अब ये इसमें से कोई भी bite करेगा, then I have a conversation right there about it. But let's see what happens. Oh, that is one of like, just one night I was just sitting in wonder, wondering the fuck, like why have I never thought about why would we evolve for something like that and whatnot. But Abhinandan, thank you so much for doing this. This is my absolute pleasure to be in company with you. And I want to start off with something far more relevant than any political garbage that we might come across in the course of our conversation, and that is, I've still been reeling from the fact that you were roughly twice my age. What is the skincare magic? What is your routine? How do you manage that?
I guess it's just a combination of genetics and.
Look at you get proud about genetics. It's a combination of.
And doing everything in moderation.
So there is more modules जो मैं इसमें टच कर रहा हूँ. तुम आगे रिस्क टेकिंग मॉड्यूल पे देखोगे कि मैंने, अभिनंदन is twice my age. He's senior to me. I am here for him. He has more importance than me. I obviously have less importance than him, but I took a shot, a friendly shot, and that made him light up. वो भी हंस गया. अब मेरे को पता है हम सेम वेवलेंथ पे हैं. बट इससे पहले तक मैं क्या कर रहा था, फिशिंग की तरह. स्किन केयर मैजिक क्या है, और उस फिशिंग का पर्पस क्या है? हम एक बहुत कंफर्टेबल तरीके से कॉन्वर्सेशन में घुस जाएं. मेरे को उसके बारे में पता लग जाए, उसको मेरे बारे में पता लग जाए.
Yeah,
Right.
I just don't drink too much, I don't smoke too much, I don't eat too much, and I exercise. I mean, that's one thing. I think if you grew up in a small town, like a lot of people in my generation, I think it's also, I mean, I think obesity, you read articles, have gone up in urban India for your generation. I think also it's just, you can't help it. Life has become like that, you know, the kind of, it's not safe to let your kids go. Like when I grew up in Dehradun, post lunch at a restaurant, and then you could go
do whatever the
you
hell.
want. And my dad was a Fauji, so if you were in a cantonment, cantonments are completely safe.
Right.
You had to be home for dinner. So you'd be chasing butterflies, catching caterpillars, shooting, you know, which is not a good thing to do. But when you're young, you do stupid stuff.
Right.
Chameleons and stuff with air guns. And you'd be running amok, flying kites. I mean, today I wouldn't send my niece and nephew out to the house unescorted.
Right. No, I
think.
See how he's already gotten comfortable. Now he's slowly इतना interested नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही ओहो मेरे साथ ये होता था, मेरे साथ वो होता था, but he's casually coming into the conversation. He's casually getting there.
The life has changed. It was just so physical when you were young. I mean, the vehicle only came out if it had to take you to the dentist or something. Otherwise, the vehicle never came out. You walked and cycled everywhere.
Right. I mean, you know what? When I first came back from New York, and not first, I think a couple of times after, and I was just like this walking man. I walk in the city. I tried to walk down Faridabad, and I was like, I was like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, go back home, you stupid hell. Because one, there is no footpaths.
Yeah.
Two, there is no clean air.
Exactly. There's no clean air. And, you know,
right. I get that. I mean, boredom died with the iPhone like nothing did.
Yeah.
Once the iPhone was around, you didn't have to chase butterflies. Like, what the hell are you even talking about? But, you know, I was interested in what you were talking about earlier. Just right before we started shooting, we were discussing the fact that you think this world's a post-ideological world. See, now I'm in the conversation. Now he's warmed up. Now I've given him his due. Now he feels like Prakhar is a comfortable guy to talk with. I understand him a little better. I understand his perspective on life slightly better. In general, we feel more friendly. And that is what I've done through fishing. And all these things will become conversation in the future. I have now acquired topics to talk to him in the future. Fauji background, oh my God, how was that like? What is growing up in Dehradun like? You see my point? That is the idea. That is the idea.